Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Hope all is going well. But if it isn't, hopefully I can provide a little relief for you with this video here. So I go by Sane Vibe Art. That's my new channel on YouTube. And I hope that you all will like and subscribe to my channel. But I just started and I draw, I craft. That's a little bit of the ways that I use to keep my sanity in this world. So hopefully this will be of benefit to you. So today I'm going to be working on a little bit of a drawing, kind of shading and things like that. I like to just pick pictures off the internet and then I just see if I can redraw them or do caricatures of them. But today I'm going to be working with coloring pencils, and I'm using Prismacolor Scholar pencils and actually a couple of Rose Art, the cheaper type colors, just for the blacks. So I'll be using several different colors, but this particular picture I absolutely adored when I saw it. And I just wanted, I love the oranges and the highlights in the picture, and I just wanted to capture those the best I can. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do that with these particular pencils. Prismacolor is pretty good, but they have levels of Prismacolor, and maybe it's just my bad shading because I don't use pencils a lot, but it seems to be a little bit difficult to blend. You know, I'm working on my blending and things like that, but I've tried all different types of mediums. I've tried oil paints and acrylics and watercolors and chalks, different things like that, but yeah, it's definitely a skill and art to shading with coloring pencils. And there's some fantastic artists on YouTube who are excellent at doing these, and I'll have to put some of their names in my description because I can't recall all of them right off. But yeah, this morning we're just gonna take it a little easy, color some things in. Sometimes with coloring we wish we could blend issues and or people out of our lives, you know, and smooth them out just like we do our art. But you know, sometimes we're not able to do that. Sometimes we just have to deal with the world as it is. No erasers, no smudging, just dealing with it. And that's why I love art. It just lets me get away and create what I want it to be. Mistakes are fine, you know, but it's still my creation. So I hope this morning, in these few minutes, you're drawing along with me with your own creations. I'm not going to judge you. So let's just start off the day with relaxing art. So yeah, just take your time. Shading with pencils, I mean, this particular drawing I'm working on is going to take a lot of shading, lots of layers. So this is just the beginning of it, and I'll do some updates as I go along with this particular one. But I'm hoping that it comes out well. We'll see. So enjoy your day, enjoy the video, and I hope that you are able to find some type of peace today, some type of happiness today, some type of relaxation and relief today. And I will see you next time. I think I'm going to make this a series. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see as we go along. So enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. Have a great one.